Hello students, now let's start lesson number 6, Helper to All in EVS textbook on page number 46. Okay, I will read the paragraph you see in the book. Now, there is a girl, her name is Anu. She wants to become a police officer. She has a younger brother, he wishes to become a soldier. What would you like to become? Here various pictures are given. Now here some pictures are given and you have to fill the color in the circle whatever professions you wants to like to be. Okay, so Anu wants to like to be a policeman, whereas her younger brother wants to like become a soldier. Now what you wants to become, children? So different children wanted to become different profession. Okay, so whatever you wants to like to be, fill the circle of that profession. Okay, almost of the professions are given here. First one is the picture. First one is the picture of doctor who is examining a child. If you wants to like to be a doctor, then fill the circle of the first picture. Then second one, she is a policeman. Then if you wants to become a policeman, then fill the circle of second picture. Third one is electrician. Okay, if you wants to like to become an electrician, then you have to fill the circle of third picture. Okay, then fourth picture there is a nurse. Okay, children, if you wants to like to be a nurse, then you have to fill the circle of fourth picture. Okay, in the next picture you can see a lady is serving a person something. Okay, in the plane. So a girl or a lady who is serving in the plane, they are called air hostess. Okay, so if you wants to become an air hostess, then you have to fill the circle of this picture. Okay, and next profession is about a postman. Okay, he delivers letter to house. Okay, if you wants to like to become a postman, then you have to fill a circle in this picture. Now next picture is about a mechanic. Okay, if you wants to, the person is repair a car. Okay, he is a mechanic. So if you wants to like to become a mechanic, at that time you have to fill the circle of this picture. Then it is the picture of soldier who guard our nation. Okay, so if you wants to become a soldier, at that time you have to fill the circle of this picture. Then last picture is about a painter. Okay, he is drawing a different painting, okay, through the different colors. If you wants to, it is an interesting profession, children. Do you wants to like a painting? Okay, very good. So if you wants to like to become a painter, you have to fill the circle of this picture. Okay, so there are different profession, they all are helping to us. Okay, so these all professionals and all the persons are called helpers. Okay, now let's see the next line. What is written there? Children's Day was celebrated in Anu's school. All the students had discussed about what they wanted to become. Now Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. Okay, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. Okay, in Anu school there is a 14th November, and in Anu school all the childrens were celebrated a Children's Day. Okay, now turn the page here. Anu discussed in her school we should decide what we would like to become. Her friends also spoke Some want to become a doctor, some want to become farmer, and some police officer. Okay, so different children, you also different children becomes to different, wanted to become a different professional. Okay, do you children? Very good. Now see the next paragraph. Around us, many people belongs to various professionals. Many professionals are helpful to us. Our many needs are completed with the help of such professionals. So there are many professionals we have seen in the first page. Okay, so and all the professionals we have seen that help all the people. Okay, now professionals who help us are known as our helpers. So all the professionals which help us, okay, so they call helpers. So professional helping us. So here is the box and you have to write all the helpers, all the professionals who help us. So they are called helpers. Okay, who help us to live our life in a good way. Okay, so they provide us different facilities, and for different facilities we needed different peoples, and whatever people who help us to live a peaceful and satisfied life, whatever people help us, they are called helpers. Okay, so these are the helpers who help us. Now let's see who are the helpers. Now, teacher, doctor, postman, conductor, driver, sweeper, nurse, policeman, carpenter, blacksmith, potter, tailor, mason, goldsmith, painter. Okay, so all these persons, all these helpers are helping to us. Okay, now you have to write all the helpers in the box. Now turn the page. Here, yesterday was Saturday. Lena had gone to market. Aruna was sick. She was admitted to the hospital. Now, yesterday was Saturday, and that time, on Saturday, Lena had gone to the market. At that time, Aruna was very sick and she was admitted into the hospital. Now, Lena reached the hospital. While she going to market, she got a news about the admitted in the hospital, who's admitted, so that Aruna was admitted, and the news of Aruna's admitted in hospital Lena got, and Lena suddenly reached the hospital. Now Dr. Ratan was examined her. Now Aruna was very sick and she was admitted into hospital. At that time Lena was also reached at hospital, and when Lena reached at the hospital, Ratan, who was the doctor who examined Aruna, and Lena liked to serve all very much. Lena likes to become a doctor. Now Lena was very good person. She likes to become a doctor and she likes to serve all the people. Okay, while she was going to market, Lena was going to market, but at that time she suddenly reached at a hospital. Why she reached at hospital while going to a market? She reached at hospital because she got a news of Aruna's admitted in hospital. Okay, so she reached at hospital and she very like to serve the all peoples, and she wanted to become a doctor. Now Lena wanted to become a doctor. She was very good lady who served all the people. Now today is Sunday. There was a meeting in village. Good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. Now Lena also liked to make such pictures. Lena also likes to become a painter. Now Lena also like to become a painter. Lena is very good person, good lady. She likes to serve the people. She likes to to become a doctor, and she also likes to draw a different paintings, and she also wants to like to become a painter. Okay, now here are some questions, and these answers you have to write your own answers according to your opinion. Okay, which profession is good for Lena? So according to your opinion, which profession is good for Lena? Whether she become a painter or whether she become a doctor, what is good for her? Okay, according to you, whatever profession she good for her is written here. Okay, now what do you like her to become? Now what do you like her to become? એને શું બનવાનું ગમે છે? She wanted to she like to become a doctor and a painter. Okay, she like to become a doctor and a painter. Now what else should Lena become? So બીજું કયું એ બની શકે? So here you have to write your own answer according to your opinion. So doctor and painter સિવાય Lena બીજું શું બની શકે? So nurse, okay, air hostess, okay, this type of profession is good for Lena. So according to your opinion, whatever profession is good for Lena, you have to write here. Now like Lena, what do you want to become? Okay, now here you have to write what you want to become. Okay, તમે શું બનવા માંગો છો? So here you have to write your opinion about yourself. Okay, so what you want to become? તમારે શું બનવું છે? Now what do your friend want to become? Now here you have to write the answer according to your friends. Okay, according to your friend, what they want to like to become. એમણે શું બનવું છે? તમારા ફ્રેન્ડે શું બનવું છે? ઓકે, રાઇટ અબાઉટ વન ઓફ યોર ફ્રેન્ડ. તમારા એક ફ્રેન્ડનું અહીંયા લખો કે એ શું બનવા માંગે છે. ઓકે, નાવ હાઉ કેન યુ હેલ્પ ધેમ? સો how can you help them? So all the people or all the friends, how can you help them? Here you have to write your own answer according to you. Okay students, do you understand? Very good. Now how can you help them? So I will obtain the information about the service in which my friend want to go and which provide it to them. I will explain to them the advantages of the services they have chosen. I will always inspire them to reach their goal. Okay, so in this way I will help my friends. So in this way you can write your own answer. Okay students, fine. Now turn your page, fill in the colors, okay, in the circle of professional of your liking. So here the same professionals are given which are given in the first page of the lesson. Okay, લેસનના ફર્સ્ટ પેજ પર આપણને જે પ્રોફેશનલ્સ આપ્યા છે, all the professions are given here too. Okay, so whatever profession you like, and at that time you have to fill the circle with color. Okay, on that profession. જે પણ તમને profession ગમે એ professionના circle ઉપર color fill કરવાનું. Different color fill in the circle. Now write. Now here are some equipments given. You have to write whose equipments are there and what they do. Now first equipment is of doctor. Okay, first equipment is of doctor and does the treatment. Doctor does the treatment by this equipment. Now second equipment is of postman, and postman delivers post to the other to the house to house. Now third equipment is the equipment of policeman, and policeman arrest criminals. That is the work of policeman. Now that is the equipment of teacher, and teacher teaches in school. That is the work of teacher. Okay, now this equipment is of sweeper, and sweeper sweeps the roads. That is the work of sweeper. and this equipment is of mechanic repairs the vehicle. This is the work of mechanic. Okay, so in all the pictures there is the equipment, and whose equipment is this? So write the helpers of who use these types of equipments and what is the work they done. So all the helpers name is given and their work is also written. You have to copy from here to your textbook. Okay students, now turn the page here. Here match is given. We have to match the pictures from their equipments. Okay, in first row we have seen some professions, and in the second row we can see in first row here are some professionals, and these are the equipments of some professional. We have to match them. Okay, so some symbols are given here for each professions. Okay, so some symbols are given for each profession. Now this is the soldier. Okay, soldier, and his equipment is here, or soldier or policeman. Okay, first picture is of soldier or policeman, and this is the last one. Okay, this is the equipment of soldier or policeman. So the symbol, this symbol is written, is draw in the circle. Okay, now the second picture is of teacher. So this type of symbol is drawn here. Okay, plus symbol is drawn here. So we have to find out the equipment of teacher. Okay, where is the equipment of teacher? Here is the equipment of teacher. So with the equipment of teacher, draw a plus symbol. Okay, now third picture is of sweeper. So there is a circle drawn under the sweeper's picture. Okay, so now find out the equipment of sweeper. Where is equipment of sweeper? It is here. So equipment of sweeper is here. So draw a circle in the ahead the sweeper's equipment. Okay, now second last picture is of nurse. Okay, now this type of symbol is drawn with nurse picture. So now find out the equipment of nurse. It's here. Okay, so this is the equipment of nurse, and this type of symbol is drawn on the circle. Okay, now last picture is of doctor. Okay, so this type of symbol is drawn with doctor's picture. So now find out doctor's equipment here. Doctor's equipment is here. So drawn a symbol like this with equipment of doctor. Okay, so just like this, just like I draw the different symbols, you have also draw different symbols with different equipments. Okay, now observe. Name of profession, tools, and how it is useful. Now here some professionals name I have written. First one, teacher. Profession of teacher. Now what is the tools of profession of teacher? Now teacher use chalk, duster, and book. So this is the tools of teacher. And how it is useful? Teacher is useful to teach his students in the school. Okay, now doctor. So what is the equipment of doctor? So stethoscope and injections are the equipment of doctor. And how doctor is helpful? Doctor examine patient and gives proper treatment. Okay students, now third one, driver. So what are the tools of driver? So buses and different vehicles are the tools of driver. So how the driver is useful? So driver take us from one place to another. So this way driver is useful to us. Okay, now fourth one, it is conductor. What is the tools of conductor? So ticketing machine, it is the tool of conductor. And how the conductor is useful to us? The conductor issue ticket to travel in the bus. Okay, this way conductor is also useful to us. Now last profession is postman. And which are the tools of postman? It is post. Okay, now how postman is useful to us? So postman delivers post or letters at all the houses. Okay, in this way postman also helpful to us, and all the helpers who help us. Okay, all the helpers are very helpful to us in different way. Okay, to live our life very good manner, and they give us different facilities. Okay, so they are very useful to the all people, so they are called helpers. Okay, I hope you understand and know all the helpers. Okay, students, the question answers will discuss later. Till then, take care, students. Stay home, stay safe.